First off, let's catch our breath real quick. We are going to take off this heat sink. It looks like it's a little dirty, but I'm not super worried. Um, but basically, we're going to take a Phillips head. All right, this is nice. We got the electric electric Phillips head. Um, I always do recommend when you're doing this, make sure you have some form of grounding strap. It's always good to have a grounding strap on. Me, I'm you know I got this pretty cheap, so I'm not as worried. But also, if you're ever trying to fix anything of your own, just a disclaimer: if anything does break, I'm not liable for that. Just make sure, you know, do your research before fixing anything, and uh, it's good to go to professionals for this kind of stuff. In my case, I mean, it's $20. I'm not too worried. Um, But yeah, we're gonna push through. Maybe you know what they say, never to use um, electric power stuff on motherboards. So just to be a good example, I'm not gonna use the drill portion of this little pen. Although, I mean, it's not too powerful. Anytime you're putting the screws on, um, definitely um, don't don't use any type of power drill, any type of anything that will power it on. Go by hand.